So for this part, I'm using the same BSSID of my wireless hotspot. So I use this command, and it tried to like send the packets to the Wireshark. Also, we can see the packets which I have captured. Yeah. So basically all the packets which were captured, and here I also executed mdk4 command, the same, specifying the BSSID. So all this time it was showing no response, and when I tried to disconnect it from my mobile, then it shows working, and after that the status was frozen. So first time when I tried to connect to this hotspot from my another mobile, it shows frozen. So it was just for one time it shown frozen. And for the last command I used to perform this with the -i. And the packets were also captured side by side. Thank you.